Ciao!
Good evening, everyone. And Wendy, say hello to our nice ladies and gentlemen. Wendy.
It's not Wendy.
No, it's
Princess Wendy.
the famous goes to Wendy Little's head.
I met a Welsh corgi.
No, you mean one of a dog of a queen?
Yeah.
Oh, is here?
Yeah.
Oh, well, when are you going to marry?
Next week.
Next week? No, I don't believe you.
Ask her.
Ask to the queen. But the queen, sadly, is not here. But we do have our lovely judges. Eh? Maybe Amanda could be your bridesmaid.
No, she's too common.
No, I'm sorry, Amanda. I'm sorry. But one of the judges can teach you how to behave like a princess, how to be glamorous, to be regal, to be feminine.
Like David.
Oh. Alicia could sing at your wedding.
I never like mystic.
Oh. And you are so catty.
No, I am a doggy.
And Simon, I'm sure he will be invited for your weddings. Eh? What do you think?
I think
Yes.
it's a big fat no from me.
Music, please. Music.
I don't want to sing.
Yes, you sing. Okay. Oh, your highness, forget the corgi.
Okay, I sing.
Good.
Dog saves the queen.
Oh.
You and I,
Must make a pact. Come on.
we shall bring.
Salvation back. It's good, I like it.
Don't touch me.
Where there is love. Come on.
I don't care.
Oh, no. I be there. I reach out my hands to you.
Don't touch me, or I bite you.
Well, call my name. Watch out, attention.
And I be there.
Yeah! It's good.
But I don't care.
Oh, you don't care? You come on now. Okay, you go to your room, okay? You're gonna sleep, okay? All right. Come on.
So just hit the button below if you want to see loads more Britain's Got Talent clips.
Go on. You know you want to.